Blessed, blessed, blessed. Once again, this is Star Seed. You know me, I say, you already mix up. Blessed. Alright, my people. Here we are going now. See, I don't know if everybody experienced this, but some of we do. Alright? We have some friends now where we and them grew up together. And, you know, you have a one friend where you and him roll differently. You'll say your best friend. So what I say? Alright. So on a big man thing now, on a big man and yeah, on a roll and probably your friend not there or nothing and you know, little thing I go on for you, you know, left him out. Him there in the midst of every little thing, he might eat off of you, you know what I mean, you know. And that's how the thing I go on. And him there upon you, him there around you, him you have to feed him. You see what I say? But here we are going now. So money run for him. Oh, you can't tell him nothing. The man get hyper and hyper. Yeah. Him no know you. Him gone a road. Different people him a roll with. Different flex him depend. You see what I say? And you just look upon it and study and I say, you are really a one star. And you not look for nothing. But you see how little money change people. Them get hyper. And him broke again, you know, and come around again. And this time, you still can you not watch nothing. You saw me, I say, what for him, And yeah, I say, boy, Jano Rasta, you know, but you really do still, you do a bad thing. So you have to tell him. And that's something I tell him. You understand what I say? And I'm going to say, Jano Rastafari, when me do a foolish thing, yo, and me get little money and turn idiot, and if any money ever run my way again, that not happen, star. Oh, Jano, my brother. Oh, and I tell you, money run for that again. Oh, I cut that cut. And I talk about, yo, no man can come call up my name because I'm a sponge pan man, you know. Oh, I got money, you know. Yo, I not beg people nothing, you know. And I saw the man a roll and I go on. But here what I go on that up. Let me show you the tricky part of the thing. In money I go mash up again. Yeah, money I go mash up again. But this time, I can tell you what him do this time. Him step up in game a little bit. Because this time when him come back, him not come back broke. But when him come back, he had a little something. So that means him know it a go done, but him still a come back and stick around. So by the time it done, yeah, him cool. You understand what I say? Yeah. And I saw the thing go. Yeah. But guess what I go on? We don't make money change we, you know. We are we, and we'll always be we. You understand what I say? One of a kind. So I say, just bless upon yourself and a Star Seed once again. As I say, you are the mix up.